Hi guys, welcome back. We're back in the garage at the laser cutter. So I've been doing the Willet laser and had a couple out. I need some more ideas though. Give me some ideas and I'll throw them in here and we'll see what we can do. Found this old piece of slate and figured, why not? Let's try it. So on today's menu of Willet laser, piece of it's actually slate tile for a floor. So we're going to I'm going to crank up the power a little bit on this one, and we'll go from there. Alright, so the answer is it will. I'm going to slow down our speed a little and turn up the power a little, and we'll see what it does. Okay, so I went from 330 millimeters a second at 40% power to 250 and 47% power. So this should give us a much darker burn here. Let's see how it goes. Okie dokie. So let's wipe this a little. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, that came out pretty good. Might have to try some coasters. Yeah. So there you go, Willet laser, a piece of slate. That's about it for now, guys. Thanks for coming by, and more on the way.